ZEISS is a leading company in the industries of optics and optoelectronics. Our main goal is to improve decision-making with better data, and to achieve that, we have to improve data accessibility, consistency, and analytical capabilities. The main challenge we had was outdated information was slowing down some processes. With SAP HANA Cloud and SAP Datasphere, we are able to provide and to innovate on data integration and data replication, and being able not only to feed our SAP BI systems, also our parallel systems we have for analytics. We have created a solution that should be able to extract data in real time from SAP systems and non-SAP systems. We would like to leverage all data integration capabilities like SAP Databricks to improve our platform and make it future ready.
Take two.